Good morning once again. Good morning, Philippines. Welcome back to my channel. So, yung hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please click the subscribe button. Sorry if this is an unedited video. So, this is solely for my students. But if you have come to visit this, then you are welcome to my channel. Okay, this is actually a continuation of what we have previously discussed. So, now we'll be discussing an illustration in a change in accounting policy. So we have here, pasensya na po, may mga advertisement. Below is the net income of Vans Corporation. Bakit Vans yung ginamit ko na pangalan? Ang dami ba? Okay. Vans galing na dyan. Alam na nila kung sino yan si Bannister niya. Or regards to si Alex. A private company computed under the two inventor methods using a periodic inventory system. Okay. So, kumbaga, ito yung net income ni Bannister na noon. Ni Vans, pag FIFO ang iyang gigamit, and mausad ni ang net income niya if average cost ang iyang gigamit para sa inventory. Okay. Now, for our first example here, we will ignore muna the tax consideration. So, our first assumption is that in 2019, Vans decided to change from the FIFO method to the average cost method of pricing inventories. Then, prepare journal entry necessary for that change that took place during 2019 and show net income reported for 2016, 2017, 2018, and 2019. Okay. So, please be reminded, Hana, we are talking about change in accounting policy. Dili ni siya error. Kasi basig matingal mo nga, hala, anong lahi lagi to sa change in accounting policy? Ang babot sa error. We are talking about change in accounting policy. Kumbaga, murag i-undo ni mo what happened in the past. Pero kay dili naman gina siya ma-undo. So, dito ta siya modula sa iyang retained earnings. Okay. So, before we could prepare a journal entry, of course, we have to determine first, kaya diba, gikan siya sa FIFO. So, gikan siya dinhi. Padulong din siya sa average cost. So, paingon siya dinha. Now, remember nga, humana, 2019, so dito kita sa January mag-start. So, sa 2016, padulong sa 2018, mauna na ang iyahang income. So, ang sa itong buhaton sa iyahang net income. O, simple lang, ato lang na siyang ipang-add. So, 26 plus 30 plus 29, that is 85,000. Then, kung average cost, pila tanan? 23 plus 25 plus 27. So, naatay 75,000. Kumbaga, ang total, kung imong i-total ang tanan nga net income, gikan sa 2016 padulong sa 2018, kung FIFO iyang gigamit 85, then kung average 75 ratanan, dabi mag-change man siya from FIFO to average cost, ang mangyayari nag-decrease, 'di ba? Mag-decrease, pero we cannot do anything about net income anymore because the books have already been closed. It's already 2019. So what we're going to do is our entry would look like this. So, asa gani gina-close ang net income? Yes, our retained earnings. So, our entry would be a debit to, this is disregarding tax consideration, ignoring tax considerations, retained earnings. Okay. And then, credit. So, saan ang apektado pag inventory? Okay. So, dito na siya mo-affect sa ato ang beginning inventory. If your retained earnings is overstated, then likewise, your inventory beginning is also overstated. Not necessarily overstated, kasi pag sinabi mong overstated, meaning may error na nangyari. Ito lang, kasi we will be applying retrospective, no? It is a retrospective application in which our retained earnings must be decreased by 10,000 as well as our inventory. Okay. So, debit retained earnings for the difference. Pila difference nila? 10,000. Ay kung ninyo magamit mong calculator ha. Okay, di na kailangan calculator. And then credit inventory because this pertains to inventory cost flow. Or merchandise inventory 10,000. Okay, so that will be our entry. So paano yung net income sa what do you call this? 2016 to 2019. Ito lang, 5% mo sa imong net income, actually kanilang siya. So, kopyahan lang nato na siya. Tanta din ni Og 2019, 2018, and then 2017, and then 2016. So, we'll just copy that one. Kay average cost naman siya, di ba? So, kanimay mo, nagid ni siyang 23,000. Kini, 25. And then, kani siya, 27. And then, this is 30. By the way, di mo mangutan na, ma'am, nganong taman na sa 2018, hindi pa tapos yung 2019 kanina, di ba? We're still starting na sa 2019. So, di man ta nag-change. So, beginning yun ang ato ang itandog. Okay? Sige. So, muna ni siya ang ato ang net income under the average method. Okay. So, dili na katong sa FIFO. Okay. What about for letter B? Assume that in 2019 bonds, which had been using the average, so baliktad siya, di ba? Gikan siya sa average cost method since beginning operations in 2016, change to FIFO. So, bali. Prepare the journal entry necessary to record the change in 2019 and show net income reported for 2016, 2017, 2018, and 2019. Okay. So, balik na po ta sa ato ang sample din hi. Gikan ta din hi, gikan sa 85, gikan sa 75, padulong ta sa 85,000. So, sa may tabo, kung mag-change ta ang atong previous nga income, net income, over the years, mo increase siya to 85,000. So, baliktad po ang atong journal entry for letter B. Dali ko na lang ibutang. Our journal entry then would be a debit to yes, inventory. Baliho na to siya. And credit retained earnings. Yes, very good. Okay. So, amounting to 10,000 pa rin yun eh. But then, pag-abot sa atong net income, ang mahitabo, ingon ani na. 2019 and 2016. Okay. Sabi, itong tanawon ha. Kopyahon, nagyapon nato na siya. Pagpakitaan na is just simply copy. So, ang atong kopyahon is ang net income na sa FIFO. 26,000 for 2016. 30,000. Dali ba to? 30,000 for 2017 and 29,000 for 2018. And for 2020, that would be 34,000. Ito yung net income natin. Ang bininyo, mag-prepare dyan mo kan statement. Dili ay, net income naman akong pa-show. Okay, so yun. That is change in accounting policy. Kumbaga, pwede gana siya nimo tinagsaon pagkuha ang difference ani nilang duha. But for me, pareha siya gyapon actually. So, whether imo siya tinagsaon, imo ra magyapon siyang i-total. So, ako na siyang i-total daan. Then, ako din kuhaon ang difference sa total. Okay, so that is an example of a change in accounting policy. Okay, now next natin na sample is, nandiyan akong time, it's 10 minutes, so we'll cut this video off, then tagaan gyapon man ako isa ka sample with regards to change in accounting policy, but this time akong hatag sa inyo is related to revenue recognition, particularly using the percentage of completion. You will be discussing that in accounting for special transactions, but is na namoy idea. Anyway, ang ato naman focus is the accounting changes. Okay, so see you on our next video. Bye bye.